Hello kids! Welcome to A for Apple Songs TV. Today we are going to learn the names of some amazing wild animals. The animals that live in the jungle, forest or grasslands. Let's say their names together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Lion, the king of the jungle. Tiger, a big cat with orange and black strips. Elephant, the largest animal on land. Zebra, a horse-like animal with black and white strips. Giraffe, the tallest animal with a super long neck. Monkey, a playful animal that loves to swing in trees. Bear, big and strong with lots of fur. Fox, a clever animal with a fluffy tail. Wolf, a wild dog that howls at night. Deer, a gentle animal with antlers. Kangaroo, it jumps high and carries its baby in a pouch. Leopard, a spotted wild cat that can climb trees. Hippopotamus, big and brown, loves to stay in the water. Rhinoceros, a strong animal with a big horn. Chimpanzee, smart and funny, just like us. Cheetah, the fastest animal on land. Gorilla, big, strong and gentle. Yak, a hairy wild animal that lives in cold mountains. Great job kids! You just learned the names of so many wild animals. Don't forget to watch again and say them out loud to remember. And be sure to subscribe to A for Apple Songs TV for more fun and learning daily. See you next time. Bye bye.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. We've learned the alphabet. Hooray! Let's sing it again today. We've learned the alphabet. Hooray! Let's sing it again another day. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Letters help us learn and grow, singing fast or singing slow. From A to Z we're almost done. Let's sing again, it's so much fun.
A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kite. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for moon. M for moon. N for net. N for net. O for orange. O for orange. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q for Q. Q for Q. R for rat. R for rat. S for sun. S for sun. T for tree. T for tree. U for uniform. U for uniform. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zip. Z for zip.